Damn. Man, this is one of them trades I need to run like easy money.
Let's see, man.
All right, let's see. Yes, I'm back live. I don't want no games, but if it closes just like this, I might be looking sell. Just quick, something quick though. If I were to take that, it would have to, like, you know, same shit, break up, open up, straight up.
Mm-hmm.
It gotta be perfect like that though. 30 seconds. I don't like it closing above now, right now specifically. So if that's the case, that's fine. Bro, this is horrible closure. I bet you, and I'm not a gambling type of guy. I bet you it breaks this and starts pushing up for real. Like when it does, like just, you know, the impulse entry on it. Because the 4 hour did just close above everything. Damn, I know the right thing to do would just be to wait, obviously, but impulse entry don't look bad above there. Trying to catch like a quick little some. What'd you think about that?
Impulse, yeah, but at what cost?
I don't know, but the 1 hour did close above the most recent though, right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only thing where I'm like, considering they did close, everything closed above. But like you said though,
It's making a bigger stop loss either way.
Yeah, because like even if it did break up, or you can honestly even wait on like a 5 minute to close above. So yeah, you're right. It ain't no point. Because say it pushed up like up to here, like bro, you still got room to go.
Mm-hmm.
So like even if it does break up, it's like I anticipated going. And if we trade lesser size, like 3 micros, and you had like a 100 pip stop loss, that's one thing. But it's different when you like can't really sit in much of drawdown. This is crazy though, because it did close right at resistance. Well, resistance on the 30-minute time frame, as I'll say. And it's making this big ass bottom loop, which, like you said, was the stop loss.
Now, if it would open like a Tonio play, man.
Exactly. That's what I'm on. I'm like, shit, I want to see the Tonio play if I'm going to take that little reversal. But just a little 1 pip bottom wick or 1 pip top wick, that shit could have easily went ooh.
Mm-hmm.
So I know you need one more good move, bro.
That's it, man. I just want to get back to BE. God,
that's all I'm saying. Damn, bro. I hate how I feel like gold always got to do this ranging shit when we be on. Let's see. The 4 hour just closed hella bullish after breaking all these lows. Not hella bullish, but bullish nonetheless. And this is making a bottom wick. But I ultimately think we're going to break these highs and continue up for the day. Which is you want to catch the right entry to be a part of it. See, because if I was looking at the 1 hour only, I would say, oh, easy peasy. Closure above, come down, and get in on a re-break of, you know, previous candle highs. But even if it does want to go, hopefully it don't run all the way off. Hopefully it just leaves a little something. When you got a meeting, Roger?
Tony,
What'd you say?
All right, where that boy Tony at, man?
I know. He said, I don't know what he said, but he said something about he couldn't take that last trade, the one that was the easiest one of the day.
It is pushing up, man. If we could just close a little bit above resistance,
Exactly.
let it get that wick feel.
Exactly. I damn near want to hold for 50, bruh. That, and what I'm like, I ain't gonna say I'm mad about that last trade. I caught 32 on that, or like 34. But I wish I would have held for even more.
I wish I would have held too, bro.
64.1 to. Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna say only because there ain't nothing wrong with catching 32, but it's just like that shit flew to take profit like easy.
I was like, bro, I gotta get this $700 loss back.
I know. That's what I'll be looking at. I'll be like, man, it looked good, but like, let me just take my bread because it got me back to BE. But I could have hit for my profit and more, like way more. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm here for the next, like I said, I got 25, 30, 40 minutes in me because of my little break. I'm hoping it don't come down to that though.
Yeah, but I just want to get out this range, bro. Like, damn, go back to the 4,000.
I mean, bro, we were at 5,088, bro. Like, what are we doing? Bro, for everyone watching on the stream, we started this journey last year. It's so far down, bro. We were down in here, bro. 3,400 area. 3,300 area. I remember this day, bro. It finally broke and closed above here and has not looked back since. 15,000 pips. Come on, man. I'm wondering if at 10-15, if we gonna start coming down, if this shit start closing bearish again. I don't want to play this game though. I really don't.
Yeah, you know me. That's 10:30.
I guess you'll walk away with your little 200 today if that's what it comes down to.
I just need to get a BE, bro.
I know. I know. I just wanted this to go up or down, and I really want it to like come all the way down here, bro. Like I really do, but what are the odds that it does that?
Trump talks.
Huh?
I said the Trump talks.
Yeah. All right, it's 5/15, pushing up. Come on. Man. Damn. What are we doing today? I really think that when this shit flips again and breaks like this high and this high, I think it's gonna go up, bro.
Me too.
I really do. So like if this 15-minute candle closed, like even respecting, but just like hella bearish, Or sorry, not hella bearish. If they close respecting, but like close weak bearish, I might set my little buy stop on a break. Like not this one, but like maybe this one, and like just see if volume can push it on through, depending. Now, if they close something like this, no.
Like it's definitely gonna touch that Wakefield pattern.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? That's 130 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Just give me 40.
Bruh.
Yeah, I'll take 20 today.
Man, if it closes like this on the 15,
No, sir.
I'm probably nothing on that, to be honest. I'm nothing. That is not what I'm trying to do. It's some bullshit.
This shit just stuck right in the middle, bro. What are we doing?
Okay. Pushing up a little bit. Okay. Oh man, here we go. It's funny because like if it still closes respecting and then breaks up, I honestly wouldn't be surprised that Antonio play played out again. We might close above, bro. Bro, I'm not liking how it's not breaking out.
Oh, hey, hurry up and end that call. Damn, bro, it ain't close above.
Oh, someone called you?
Yeah. God damn, bro, I just seen that shit green too.
Man, I'm thinking this shit about to sell, bro. Huh?
I said we was close.
Yeah, bro. I'm thinking this shit about to sell. I don't think I got a buy stop in me unless this shit opens like straight down and then starts breaking highs. But it already just broke the previous 1 hour high. But I'm thinking that I could get a quick little scalp depending on how this candle opens. So say it opens straight up, maybe even break this high and then starts reflipping back down. I take it the same way that this came down like here. But once again, I need everything to play out how I want to. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this opens. Okay. If it breaks this high with this little of a bottom wick, I may try my hand at it. If it just flips now, no. So it would look something like, oh man, it might just respect, honestly. I just want a better like liquidity grab than that. Damn, yeah. I think it's actually gonna go down just with the way it just tapped into there. But I wanted to break this high first.
Yeah.
Damn. No, Sirski. Not me. But I do like it though. Or I did like it though. That's 25. That's 30. Why can't it just give more than this, bruh? Like, why is this shit going down again with? I mean, that wasn't terrible. How many was that? 15 pip top wick. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but bro, I wanted a little more than that. Just a little more, because the last thing I want to do is just get in just to get out, just because that shit flip on me again.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you get in and you waste 15 pips that fast. Bro, we seen how that shit goes. When it goes, whoop, whoop. Get your ass out of here.
No, my fault. I just finished up. So real quick, can you explain why when it basically went to retest, you didn't want to take the entry on the break low, even though it didn't break the high, the previous came high?
I did want it to break the high because I wanted it to activate people that were getting in on those buys. So, and like I was just saying, like, bro, that 15 pip stop, like, that shit sound good, but bro, well, it wasn't even that. Like, bro, it was literally like I guess you could say like 15 pips. Like, we've seen so many times that shit come like down a little bit, then flip to continue up, because ultimately,
for sure. I guess
the direction is still bullish.
You were saying that you wanted the previous candle high broken. I was saying that it didn't break. I mean, obviously it didn't break it, but I'm saying it did retest.
Yeah, it did retest. I would prefer, just like when that trade on Friday that we were talking about last night in the group, like when that shit perfectly opens, breaks these highs, gets people excited that it's gonna go up, then I would feel more comfortable rather than setting that shit on a 15 tip top wick, because it definitely could have. But I mean, bro, we see how volatile gold is. The last thing I would have wanted to do was to enter that shit, it get me in, and just shoot the stop loss in the span of 5-10 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Like, we've seen that many a time.
For sure.
Yeah, but no, it was good. I mean, it was a good play, especially considering it did retest this area. But I was also looking at the 5-minute, which just closed hella strong bullish too. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, at the same time, this could have been the bottom wick for the 5 minutes to continue up. Hell, this still can be the bottom wick to continue up for the day. So that's all. It's no like a real rhyme or reason. Like, you just gotta understand your comfortability. Like, if you okay with potentially risking getting in that shit and it just wicking your ass out as soon as you get in, that's just the game you play. You know what I'm saying? But what I would have wanted to see was just more of a liquidity grab, especially for a new 15-minute candle. Like, I want to see a pretty decent size wick.
That makes sense.
yeah, 30, 40 pips as opposed to just 15. But it was good. I mean, it obviously played out. So after the fact, of course, it looked great every time. I was like, ooh, I want a little more. Ooh, I want a little more. Like, for example, that trade that I took at 10 or 9, it was so easy in the way it just opened up, retested this. It went up for like 30, 40, I want to say. And then I got in on a re-break of the low. So this was 9 a.m.'s candle. You can see right here at 9, it opened up for about 20. So yeah, I guess it was the same. But I entered. So I entered down here though. That's when I entered. So the real stop loss was technically 35, 36. So there's a little different. But yeah, this is playing out though. Definitely playing out. Filling this wick on out. I'm gonna see what 1030 talking about. I slick want buys above here just because we have a wick to fill, so I do actually have a target. But if this shit want to just play this range, I mean, we really not even doing nothing in the grand scheme. So I guess I'll recalibrate. So same old buys above here. Obviously, just wait on the closure above. Sells are interesting. Like they really could happen when you get back under this. Like, when you get back under this support right here, which could happen at 1030, you likely will be able to come down to the next support, which is like right here. That's a pretty good range, I can already tell. 65, 70. And then last targets are under here. But as long as these candles are just printing side by side like this, it's kind of hard to gauge it. So we will definitely see. But someone who is aggressive, man, you definitely could take that little entry, put your stop loss right above here and say, yeah, it's just gonna have to show me that's gonna get me out. I put a stop loss right there, enter down here, and it wouldn't have been nothing crazy, just a little, 25, 30 pip stop loss. Even giving it room to retest again if it wanted to. So that's good to keep in the back of your, mind, just like, okay, not a terrible entry right there. If you anticipate that we're at a resistance, we're good to go ahead and come down at least 20, 25, 30. But let's see how this closes in the next 7 minutes. We just in a range, bro. Like, this is crazy.
Hopefully 1030 gives it to me, man. That's all I got.
That's all yeah. That sounded like me.
Already on my third trade of the day.
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, it's so crazy because that first trade, like while we were early to the party, bro, that's just simple price action. That's what's be killing me. That's what be killing me, bro. Just weak candle closure, respecting all supports. Came down, broke the high, and just had to play around before finally doing the same shit right here. And 9:15, 9:30 just push.
It's just the momentum of gold all-time highs, man.
Yeah, man. It's like you getting so close to like the highest of the highs. How much does it really got left in the tank when you get in?
See, this is it.
Fuck. Shit blows me, bro. If it closed just like this at 10:30, you ain't got nothing for it, huh? And we know that this shit about to take off for the rest of the day, bro. We know it. Like, we know that this shit about to end up way up here.
So just like his little areas, man. $190 from B.
Man. Shit, and like I be saying, if it's gonna come down, go ahead and come down.
That just made me think it's gonna go up because it did not want to get down there, bro.
Looks pretty good on the 1 hour, bro.
What'd you say?
It looks good on the 1 hour, man.
I know, bro. I know.
That re-break of that damn
bro.
high.
Even if you use like a previous, like this one,
Yeah.
like just made sure it wanted to clear all this out. Like, bro, you know it's about to do it. You know it is. What lot size are you throwing to withstand any sort of pullback? Are you just saying, I'm gonna throw this 4 and I'm gonna take a minus 800?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Hey, man.
You cooked on all accounts, or you still got one on the ropes?
Nah. I'm done. I'm about to buy another one. But hold on, how are you finish up on the day right now? Or what you looking at on the day?
I'm minus 307 on one set of accounts.
Okay. So hold on.
But no, my first trade I took, well, that shit, that was a big loss. I couldn't even do nothing about it. I threw a 5 and lost 30 plus. I was like, shit.
Yeah, y'all hopped on earlier today. Actually, y'all hopped on like 7. I saw.
Yeah.
So y'all took something before 7:30?
Nah, that was I took the same trade twice. That buy on that break and thinking it was gonna go up. All I did was change accounts.
Yeah.
All I did was
whole time it ended up going back up. That's crazy.
Oh, did it?
And it
I seen it while I was on my call. I had it to the left of me or to the right of me. I was looking at her and I saw this shit respect and I saw this candle re-breaking this again. I said, man, ain't bad. But I can't.
That 930 play would have been nice, man. If I would have
just did that 930. What you say, Roger? What did you that 9? Sorry, that 9. But that 930, that volume kicked in, bro. That volume kicked smooth in. All you gotta do is set that buy stop on a break of this high, trying to come up into here. If the stop loss is fat though, I mean 85 pips trying to catch 85, it's at 90. Damn, bro, we got a minute 30 to this closure. 1 minute. Money Man Raj. I got, let's see. Part of me does think that this shit about to come down, at least to fill some of this wick out. But it's in a range. And it's in a nasty range too, bro. It's like
it would have to close below that for me.
Part of me is like, if it gives me the perfect opening, just go ahead and do it. But the other part of me is like, bruh, it can stop right here. It can stop, like, it's shown that it can stop right here. Bro, what I really think gonna happen is, if this shit opens straight down, I bet you on the re-break of this 5-minute high, I bet you it goes up. Let's see how this opens. Even if it's the top wick for the 30-minute candle. Nah. Well, let's see. This is my Brandon scalping bag. I just don't want to take no lesser trades, to be honest. But it closed under here. Yeah, man. It's about to break this out now. It just broke it. Fuck. I be saying it needs better bottom wicks than this. You gotta think, bro, that's a whole 30-minute candle. You really think this 30-minute candle about to just shoot up with no bottom wick? It might, but I be wanting a little bit more though. Just a little bit, something.
Stop.
1 second. Follow me. Find some BS. Hello. Yes. No. No problem. Thank you.
I feel like it's gonna settle down.
Uh, 30-minute did close bearish. 15-minute close bearish as well.
Too late now.
You just got this support right here. Oh, there you go. You got this support right there. Go with your first mind, bro. Go with your first mind. It's just some bullshit, bro. Like, I don't want to do nothing in the range. To be honest, I don't do anything in there. Bro, why are we on this shit? It's so funny. You can walk away with your little 200. I can walk away with my little minus 300 and just call it. Wait for a better day. But it's just, I know the moves that are about to happen, bro. Like, I know it. I know it's about to happen. And that's what's killing me.
Fuck.
Oh, man.
It's like Project X be moving faster than Trading View.
I know. Yeah, trust me. I know they all. And up. Ah. Ah. Man, there go to Wakefield. You know what I'm really thinking though? Bro, if this closes under on the 5 minute, this shit about to go down.
Yo, my fault. Did y'all see that text I sent in the group chat, bro?
Yeah, I did.
The trading funds?
What is that?
Bro, it looks like these things are giving away live accounts. So I just messaged their support team. And I mean, they have instant funded accounts, right? The lowest one that they have, I think, is a 5K account for like $60, basically. You know what I'm saying? And there's no profit target. No profit target. And the thing is, you have like it's 20% consistency, and you're allowed to take out a request to pay out the minute you hit 20% consistency. So I was messaging the guy on support.
What does that mean?
Basically, and to keep it short, what that
if there's no profit target, what's the consistency?
Exactly. Like I know. So hear me out, right? So basically, what I'm saying is, when he told me that, I was like, okay, so you mean to tell me that I could take a trade, like if I make $100 a day for 5 days?
Wait 1 second. I'm really looking at this Tonio play.
No, for sure. Go ahead.
On this 5 minute. I'm about to take it, Roger, if it flips.
Is that support? Hold on.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Damn, this shit's not letting me get there.
You might not miss nothing. I'm clawing back. Let's see. If I gotta cut it, I just gotta cut it.
Nah, I have some trust in it, bro. You got it.
Order filled.
Boom.
There it is. Money.
Yep. Money.
But yeah, no. So
like go ahead.
Like I said, so if you have 5 trading days where say like you make $100 a day, you know what I'm saying? The consistency at that point is automatically gonna be 20%.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So at that point, even though I only made $500 on the account, I'd be allowed to withdraw that. So the way that they're making it sound, it almost sounds like it's a live account. It's just there's a consistency rule instead of a minimum amount that you have to have in the account before you can withdraw. You know what I'm saying? So with Top One on a live account, you can't withdraw until you have at least a minimum of $60 in the account, I believe. Right? You have to have $60 in your account, or not in your account, but in profit before you can withdraw with Top One. Well, with these guys, it's you have to maintain 20% consistency before you can withdraw. So if it doesn't matter if I make $5 per day for 5 days, I can withdraw that 25 basically, as long as the consistency is 20%.
Gotcha. Huh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go look. What's the website called again?
Trading funds. I sent the IG if you want to go there.
Is it new?
They might be. I mean, with the little amount of followers that they have and whatnot.
Sometimes you want to hop on them because they trying to make a reputation.
Exactly.
But it's just hard because no one can vouch for them. Is all.
Payouts that they be posting on their IG are about the same size as what you would see when you're trading a live account with Top One. It's like a couple hundred.
Oh, so like usually smaller.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I'm like, this is the way they operate, and is low key like you're just paying to go straight to live.
To get live.
Yeah, basically. Okay. The only thing is the platforms that they use. You have Trade Locker, which actually doesn't look like it's a terrible platform. It looks similar to trading.
So it's Forex.
What's up?
It's Forex. It's not futures.
Oh, it's not? Damn.
That's what it probably is.
Probably, possibly.
I think that's what it is. I want to say Forex prop firms still work just fine, but because I know what's his name? Who was in the group? And he lived up north.
Oh man, I forgot his name.
Well, anyway, you know what I'm talking about. He used to trade Forex prop firms, and we was like, bruh, come on over to the future side. But yeah, with just me seeing how this shit looks, like instant funded, 5%, 6%. Yeah, like I'm seeing what's going on. 839, 50K is 454, 25K is 244. Because it's funny, it's like you can almost rock out with like a 10K account.
Yeah.
Or like a 5K account. Because I mean, if your daily drawdown is 5%, that's $500. So like, man, you trade in 5 micros or 6 micros, you really shouldn't be losing, but like $150. But if, when you hitting though, you making $100, $150, $200. Like that's not bad on a per trade basis.
Right.
I see what you plan. I see the plan.
You talking about Raymond?
Yes, sir. Yep. Bruh. Brandon, look how far this shit ran after I took my little 850.
Hey,
that's
man,
a game you play though.
That's
the game you play
man.
though.
I'm basically a BE at this point.
But you lost?
Nah, I just couldn't. I had to double confirm my closure.
Oh my goodness, bro. That shit sounds so annoying. That's ass, man.
Like at least have them stop it. Why? You know what I'm saying? Like
why does it do that shit?
Keep moving the price when you want me to double confirm.
Brandon, I ain't gonna lie. And you tell me if this is crazy. Could you not just run the same play again right off this support?
You could. It depends. So on the next 5-minute count,
you gotta open straight down.
Yeah. Straight down, opening, anticipating that once it breaks.
Again, you take the same flip entry.
Bro, ain't no fucking way. Yeah.
Order filled.
Let's see. I ain't gonna stay in it for long. If it get me out, it'll get me out. Let's see.
Order filled.
Easy.
Bro, that's insane, bro.
Right, like just take that little 12, 13, 14.
Oh, you trading on TradeCopia, huh? Or not TradeCopia?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm leaving this up because like this is so ugly.
Yeah. That trade
like,
is
it's so ugly to even put out there. But up 996 on
there's no way to change the appearance, huh? With
huh?
There's no way to change the appearance to that, is it?
It's just, I mean,
I feel like it's gotta be.
If people, I mean, I could be on this full time, but it's like I would have to learn how to like mark up on it and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like,
it's so ugly, bro.
It's so ugly.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm up, and it's so funny because Brandon, one thing I've learned, one thing you already know, while it's funny to take them little small ass wins, it's like, bruh, take it while it's there.
Yeah, facts, bro.
Take it while it's there. You're gonna be sad. So, like I said, I'm up 730, 950, and 996 on these copy accounts. So good profits. But yeah, I know what would Brandon do?
No, man, hey man, you better call it a day, G. Go on about your day.
I know, bro. I know. Not, like continuing ain't never did nobody no good.
You know,
I got slipped bad on that too. I tried to close out 600 and it closed out at 400, which is fine, but that's $200 on the table. But you definitely right though. You up that little band. It's like I could throw that forward trying to get 20. Could, but it's like, man, you lose and that 700 go to like 200. You like, bro, I gotta get this back now.
Yeah.
I don't try no trade so bad. I'm like, I need to be disciplined.
Roger, where your lockout button, bro?
I don't do this discipline, bro.
Where your lockout, man?
I don't think trading has got a lockout button.
They definitely do.
Where your mental lockout, bro? Don't fool around with me, bro. I ain't no good. I'm over here scalping 10 pips on fives.
Like is this lockout right here? No, this is lockout on draws, man. This shit don't got it, bro.
They definitely don't, bro. You better practice
Brandon,
discipline mentally.
That shit closed right like this. I said, "Ooh, wait a minute, flip entry." And it's so crazy because depending on the size you trade, bro, you can take 2 of those and be done every single day.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm staring at a band, bro. Like I'm looking at a band. I really want to just max out that 1800 because I took that first loss and that dem account's done for the day. I'm looking at minus 16 on them. I'm like, you know what? Let me just act like those didn't even happen. Get that back tomorrow. But if I end plus 1,000, plus 1,500 on these, like I always say, I'm making progress towards the payout in one way or another.
And there's only 2-3 trades a day, so you might as well.
Exactly. That's what it's supposed to be. Like, while I ain't gonna say I'm annoyed. Like I would have loved to have caught this and rode this up a little bit more for this to have did some heavy lifting and made 12, 13, 1400. It's also nothing wrong with kind of re-entering and kind of just like same idea. But at this point, I'm looking probably a closure back above here or below here, which is this support right here. So it's just kind of in, once again, no man's land right in there. Unless you're just trying to continue to use this same support with these candles closing green, but you're just getting kind of tight to this this support that it was projecting off of. I don't like playing on my luck, taking that same trade 3-4 times, bro. That third time when you lose, you're gonna be sick. What? WWBD. What would Brandon do?
Nah.
Brandon ain't worried about none of that.
Well, I'm trying to tell you, I'm leaving.
What has being scary ever gotten you?
Yeah, so, hey, you're not wrong, but not being scared, they got me to blow the couch. You know what I'm saying?
Bruh, same. Oh, I'm about to say, bruh, if this would have tapped that same support, I'd have said, man, I got to again. But I'm gonna wait. Oh, that's 10:45. Oh, damn. Let's see. How did this close?
I wish you would have went down and did the Tonio.
Yes, that's all I'm saying. It's like you still, I mean, I like it when it's perfect, no top wick, nothing. It comes straight down. But now it's like you closing bearish, so you know the direction really is bearish. So you really going against the grain by trying to get in on the break of like up here. Like you can just reject out of this resistance. But yeah, man. So Raji, did you even take that last trade or hell no?
I ain't had no time, bro.
That one click. Bro, I gotta see what y'all talking about.
And down, see, just like earlier today when news happened, if I was on if I was on a one click, that shit would have took me out. I had no stop loss.
So it helped you in that first trade?
No, I didn't do the one click. I'm not doing that shit. Because either it'll no stop loss, it could blow me up my account, or if it might give me too many profits, and now my consistency back up.
I know, bro. That'd be the thing I'm scared about. I'll be trading them 4s and 5s. I'll be like, bro, what if this 5 really explode for like 50 pips? Bro, now you like, bro.
Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to be late to the party sometimes, man.
That's what it's gonna have to be, or trading a little less size. Oh shit. And I still think this shit about to go up.
Then Brandon, no lockout, bro. This shit.
Bro, I bet I'd be having to walk away from the charts, bro. You have to, bro. No lockout feature? Yeah, man.
There gotta be a way, bro. I gotta YouTube.
No, brother. I'm telling you, if there was, I've been found that whole by now.
Bruh, Brandon, I want this last 20 pips real bad. Real bad.
Sure.
Do I want it more than I want to put this profit at risk?
No, bro. No. Because you're going to make me want to get in.
No, I ain't got nothing to do with you.
Yes, you do, bro. Yes, you do. You know I just need a little money.
I'm just putting all the stories and the pieces together. So I'm looking at this wick to fill on the 5 minute that stopped right up in here. I'm looking at this 1 hour candle that's open. It's just potentially making a bottom wick to come up. It still has 12 minutes in the candle. 30-minute close bear are still open, but this one closed respecting, so this potentially be closing outside the range or closing back inside the range. The 15-minute close bearish, but I don't know, bro.
Is it too many stories?
It's always too many stories. Always too many stories. But 2 things can be true. I am 21 pips away from maxing out for the day. And I like
too many stories if it's around 9:30.
Yeah, you're definitely not. Let's see, 1,800 minus 996. I need $803 to max out. It depends. on how this opens in 1 minute, 5 seconds. If it started going up and doing dumb shit, no. If it opens straight down, gives me a perfect like little retest, I will enter on the rebreak of its own high or potentially the previous high, anticipating that it's going to fill this wick and beyond, really. But I didn't need to fill that wick. So let's see. May or may not take it.
We go to micros just in case.
He said just in case he don't want to piss himself off. Gotta walk away some red or some green. Like I said, I'm up 750 or 730, 950, and 996. So if I can catch 21 pips on this 4 that I'm about to throw, or if I just cut it at minus 15, minus 16, I can still walk away victorious. Ooh, this is an interesting open. Or closures, I should say. What is it doing? Making me nervous.
Closure back above, yeah.
Closure back above the range. If it breaks the high, no. No bottom wick, no. If it still ain't bad, but if it like keeps going, then because I can still enter on a rebreak after it comes down and retest. I need to at least retest this. If it just wants to fake go up, then no.
No, sir. Damn. It's gonna give a little ass bottom.
Hardly anything. And now you needed to retest this just to even justify getting in, because it has a retest as support now. And let's see what it looked like on the 30. See, this 30 is just rejecting out of here. I know this 5 minutes flipping down. If this shit comes all the way down here and still rebreaks this high in the next couple minutes, I still like it. Because it's a retest of that support. Let's see. Nope. It's actually not bad with that bottom wick now. I would like a good retest though. Obvious. I think it's gonna go up, bro. It broke the high, got people in. Okay, there it is. If it goes back up and re-breaks its own high, it wouldn't be a bad entry at 65.3 or 4, whichever one you want to do to give it a little room for the spread. I do have a buy stop set. If it perfectly retests, I need 20 pips. 21. So I'm not gonna show it over here, but it perfectly just tapped that, and that's why I be saying I want to set that buy limit sometimes. But if it starts nosediving against me, it's got to get out. Ooh. Damn.
Stop filled.
All right. Damn. What the heck? Man. Come on now. Don't be on that dumb shit. All right. I got like a minus 22 pip stop. But I'm hoping that we just get going. All right, come on, push through.
Order filled.
Let's get it. Done for the day. 20 pips.
All right, I'm done too.
All right. Cool. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, man.
This is an excellent day on my paper trading account, bro.
Great day on your paper. Great day on the paper trading account. So I did on that.
God.
Price made a high. Did what we needed to actually do, coming down and retesting this area, re-entered on the break of its own high again. All I needed in this instance was 20 pips to max out for the day. So that's what I took. But pretty much in my max loss that I set for myself on one set of accounts and hit my max win on one set of accounts. So overall on the day, I am up $42. $42 flat. Transparency. So didn't manage risk on this one like I should have. Took a stupid loss. So 1690 and 17, but made 18, 1765, and 1545. So these accounts made progress towards the payout. These accounts got set back by a day, but in a perfect world, get that back tomorrow, keep advancing these, and keep it rolling. So, all right, Roger. All right, Brandon. All right, Adrian. Hopefully y'all got to take a look.
Yes,
Yep. And Brandon, I know you'll be back at it tomorrow. We'll be on it.
Yep.
Oh, well, actually, damn, I forgot. I do have something tomorrow morning. I'm doing that speaking thing I got to be there at 9:30. So I might hop on again at 8 to see what's going. And
for sure.
Yeah. So regardless, I'll be on for an hour at least.
Definitely. All right, dog.
All right. See y'all.
Yep.
Yep. Peace out.